Assalamu alaikum. Nowadays Wi-Fi is everywhere, but the problem is with its low range. In this video I'll show how to use a router as a Wi-Fi range extender. For this I have bought a low priced router. Here it is, the Tenda. Okay, now connect this. Type this in address bar. Select dynamic IP. As my old router is named Takim, so I'm typing here Takim 2. You can put any password here. Now I have to connect again with the new Wi-Fi name. This is my old router and this is new. Typing the password I had just put in the table. Now enter again. Click on wireless repeating. Then select universal repeater. This is showing my old router. I'm selecting this. This password is that I set in old router. It will reboot within very short time. Then reconnect this and enjoy it as Wi-Fi range extender. This was all for now. I hope this video will help you extend your Wi-Fi range. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.